Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today I wanted to give you a small recommended TV program. Yes, I've been watching recently with my family. So this program is very much useful, and also I was recollecting you all. So my commerce and management students of YouTube, not just teaching subject. You need to have some practical knowledge. How do you get the practical knowledge? Practically, if you hear anything, if you see some programs, then only you are going to get. What we teach in the classroom is theoretical. Now practical knowledge, if you want to gain, I would recommend each and every commerce and management student one TV program, that is, can you guess? Yes, Shark Tank India. So this is Shark Tank India. This is one of the best program for all the commerce and management students. You'll get all vocabulary, commerce management related vocabulary you'll get, and especially this is useful for the finance and marketing students. Finance, how we are investing, how much debt is required, how much equity is required, and what is the percentage, and how much we are getting the return, sales are how much, margin is how much, related to this finance. You will get a very good idea in this program. And also marketing. So when we want to develop a product, what kind of product we are developing, and what is the marketing strategy, and how we have to develop price fixing and packing, branding, and how to develop it, all these things practically you will get a lot of knowledge. In this program you will find lot of entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs. Their age, if you see, hardly 21 to 30, 35, that's it. But they are coming with innovative ideas. All these ideas are definitely useful for you, and you can just observe their ideas, what kind of products they are developing, and look at their confidence, the presentation and body language and language, all these things. They are speaking by mixing both the languages, English and Hindi together. You can understand easily the language, and this you can observe it. Watch this program with your family or with your friends. Sometimes I feel like I wanted to watch this program with you all, which is not possible. At least I can recommend you this program. And don't mind that if the program is going to conclude, it doesn't matter. You can watch the previous videos, previous uploads in YouTube. You can find it. And any such kind of program if you find, please do recommend to our channel followers. Write it in the comment box. And also in this program there are many sharks are sitting, and they are giving their interaction, like when someone is introducing their product, like a very good interaction, rapport, all these things you can observe. And after that they are giving their recommendations, what faults they are doing, and how they can develop, how they can increase the sales value, or what they can do it, all these things, recommendations. I really find this program wonderful. Please do recommend if you have any such kind of programs, TV programs in our India. Please write it in the comment box. We all will watch, will develop our practical knowledge also. So don't miss Shark Tank India. So this is in Sony TV, Monday to Friday, every day night 9 o'clock. So don't miss this program. And after watch, if you are already watching it, write it in the comment box. What are your feelings? If you have watched after this video, then also please write it in the comment box. What are your feelings? I just want to know. Follow the theoretical knowledge and also gain the practical knowledge, so that you are ready to deployable. You can do business, you can work, and anything is possible with practical and theory knowledge. So don't miss this program. So waiting for your comments. Have a great day and have a bright career. Good luck.